Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday, Wednesday, June the 21st, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle. So it's time now for the medium Sudoku. By the way, there are no extra puzzles in this daily newspaper. No additional. What I will do is in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. So we have two puzzles here. The killer Sudoku, I've just solved this binary puzzle a minute ago, and I will continue with the medium Sudoku. Yes. Today it's war day number 483. 483 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. That's the news of today. The medium Sudoku number 6629. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 32 printed digits. Don't know if this is a medium or a Sudoku light, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be easier than the 1 star puzzle in the additional. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one has 32. So I need to be faster. For the 1 star, you need to be faster for faster than 50 minutes. So maybe this one 14 or 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 4. A lot of 4s. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4. Oh, wait. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see how 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Well, cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. How about a lot of 7s. 7 in the last third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Oh, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Then. How about the 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the row below, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Well, we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. 1. No. 1. 1. Okay, and now. 3. Yeah. We have a 6 here. 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and the 6. Well, come on. I need a 5 here. 5, 9, and the 8. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So here we have 2 missing numbers, 8 and a 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers, 8 and a 9, I believe. Yeah, cannot fill this yet. 8 and 9, so need a 3 here. Yeah. Okay, we have 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between, the only place level 3 should be there. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 here. Here, 3 in the third row, no 3 there. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So first row, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 and 6, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Let me mark those. Here also the 6, because we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. And we have a pair, the 1 in this row, the 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1, goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. I believe those 2 boxes also, oh no, 9 and a 2, yeah. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So 2 numbers left in this big square form as the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 5. Okay, how about the 1 now? 1. Need a 1 here. No, I cannot continue with the 1. 8 and 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column. And no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square formula is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 2 missing numbers in this big square formula is the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square formula is the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square formula is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 now in this second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square formula is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 30 minutes or 40 minutes. It has 32 printed digits. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.